Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to extend C drive in Windows 11. So if you think there's less space in your C drive and you want to extend it, I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to go to your desktop, and once you're onto your desktop, you have to go to the search section or the search bar that is in the taskbar. Go there and search for disk management, and after that this page will open. On this page you will see all of your drives and how much space are left in it and how much unallocated. So the space that is unallocated, you can convert it into your C drive. So for that reason you have to go to your C drive and you have to do a right click onto it, and then you will see this option extend drive. Click onto it and click on next, and after that you will see that how much space will be there. You can simply set it if you want all, otherwise you can minimize the space and go for next. And after that the C drive will be extended. It has used that unallocated space that was next to it. So that's how you will be able to extend your C drive in Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.